Assalamualaikum and hi. Welcome to Bmfu 3323 IDP subject. Today we're gonna show you our project, which is multipurpose prayer mat. Before that, in current market, we only have regular prayer mat and foldable prayer mat, where it only can be used for regular basis. Our product is designed to help users who have difficulty in performing prayer, and our problem statement is: first, current prayer mat does not support disabled people. Second, current chair product does not foldable. And third, current chair product also need to be carried everywhere inside the mosque. And our objective is to design and fabricate the multi-purpose prayer mat. Second, to perform product analysis. And lastly, to test the function of the multi-purpose prayer mat.
Greetings, my name is Enoch Liansim, and I'm going to explain about the product description and also the analysis of the product. The multi-purpose prayer mat consists of three major methods, which will support the functionality of the product. Each of the methods have its own selected function that solve the problem related to conventional design of the prayer mat. The multi-purpose prayer mats method that can be folded into three types. First method is the multi-purpose prayer mat can be used as a standard prayer mat. Second, the backrest can be raised up into 6 multiple angle shift adjustment. And third, the multi-purpose prayer mat has foldable chair that can be raised up. These are 6 components that used in multi-purpose prayer mat, which is bolt, nut, washer, adjustable hinge, foldable chair, and base. Function of the bolt is to screw every rotation, nut used to attach and tighten the bolt from loose. Washer is to make a gap between chair legs, and seat frame to make sure that the chair can be folded smooth without any obstacle. Adjustable hinge is the mechanism for the chair to lock only in 90-degree rotation that attach at the bottom of the leg at the back. Foldable chair is used for user to sit while performing a prayer. And base is attached to a foldable chair and known as the base of the multi-purpose prayer mat. These are the dimensions of the foldable chair assembly. After we analyze the foldable chair assembly using the material we chose in SolidWorks software, which is aluminum alloy, it shows the importance of material properties were listed down, such as yield strength, tensile strength, and many more. It shows that this foldable chair assembly can withstand a force with 90 kg in SolidWorks simulation. These are the dimensions of the base assembly. These are the important material properties of the base assembly after we analyze. It shows that this base assembly also can withstand a force with 90 kg in SolidWorks simulation. These are the prototype that we are going to demonstrate on how safe the multi-purpose prayer mat can be used.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Hasanain bin Hayatul Kamil. Today I would like to present about manufacturing process that involves to produce our multi-purpose prayer mat. First is cutting process. We use an abrasive saw to produce shorter aluminium bar from 6-foot long bar that we buy from the hardware. Then we use grinding machine to cut the aluminium to create the leg and frame. The Sari saw process are involved to cut plywood to create a base for our project. Second is grinding process. We also use grinding machine using grinding disc for finishing process, which is smoothing out every edge and surface of every aluminium that we cut. Third is drilling process. The drilling process is to make a hole so that the frame, leg and base of multipurpose prayer mat can be attached by using bolt, nut, a rivet, bullet. Fourth is riveting process. The process of riveting is used to attach the leg to the frame and the base of multipurpose prayer mat together. And lastly is sewing process. The sewing process are involved in order to make a cushion. We stitch a sponge with fabric together. That's all for me. Thank you.
Greetings to panels. My name is Amal Amirah Binti Adani. I'm going to continue presenting about costs. Manufacturing costs are the costs that directly involved in manufacturing of products. Manufacturing costs includes raw materials and charges related to worker. The main material used to fabricate the multipurpose prayer mat is aluminium, plywood, sponge, cotton, and prayer mat. Bills of material. It is a centralized source of information that lists all assembled and sub-assembled parts and raw material needed to produce one unit of a finished product. It includes with quantity, amount, and the item name including its size. Our product bills of materials shows the total of 19 different items with total of 64 quantity. The total amount of all the items is summed up to 327 ringgits and 40 cents.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Kamil bin Sari. For sustainability part, there are three main material that we use in this project, which is aluminium, cotton and plywood. Firstly, we choose aluminium because aluminium is 100% recyclable. Recycling aluminium avoids CO2 emission. Creating new metal from recycled aluminium only requires 5% of energy needed to produce primary aluminium from bauxite ore. Aluminium also material that has less density with higher strength and also cost effective. And lastly, aluminium will retain all of its original properties even after the recycle process. Second material is cotton. Why which is cotton? Is obviously cotton is a reusable material, can be reused again for another purpose, easy to decompose, and cotton also is a material that has less toxic, and being a natural fiber, cotton has hardly any chemical compared to synthetic fibers such as acrylic and polyester. And lastly, plywood. Plywood is not only did prevent wastage, but it also introduce feature which is made it functionally and aesthetically more competent. And obviously, plywood is a recyclable and reusable material. Thank you.
In conclusion, we are able to achieve objective of this project,
where we are able to design and fabricate the product, to perform product analysis, and to test the function of the multi-purpose prayer mat.
For the scope, everyone can use it, but our main concern is for the elder people and disabled people. The advantages for this product is
the product is easy to handle because it has foldable chair that can be raised up. Next, it has ergonomic posture where the backrest can be raised up until 6 multi-angle shift adjustment, and it is multifunction because it can be used for usual prayer using, for sitting prayer using, and lastly can sitting cross-legged comfortably.
And lastly, I hope this product can be located at all mosques around Malaysia. Thank you for watching our video. That's all from us. Bye bye.